Discussions use active asynchronous communication to assess the understanding of a topic and utilize class participation through quality interactions. To create a new discussion, on the left navigation, click on Communication, followed by Discussions. Click the green plus sign icon. Required fields include the discussion subject and message, which should describe the topic the users are to discuss. Under the General tab, you can also define other optional settings, including attaching a supporting file for directions, applying a category and tags, and specifying calendar settings. Under the Availability tab is where you can set a specific date that a discussion should be released. Also, if the discussion needs to be hidden from the student view after a period of time, you may set an expiration date. You may also set optional access control settings if you would like to restrict access to specific users. Course learning objectives can be linked to your discussion, as well as applying dependent release settings. Move to the Gradebook tab if you would like to link a discussion to the gradebook. Enter a value for maximum points to create a new gradebook assignment, or choose to attach to an existing gradebook assignment. It is required to set a point value for a gradebook discussion, but it is not mandatory to use these points in grade calculations. If the discussion is graded, a due date located under the Advanced Settings is required. Under the Advanced Settings tab, you will find additional options. Administrators can change settings regarding multiple posts, visibility of other users' posts, and editing permissions. Also, user posts and comments can be made anonymous. Click the green Add Discussion button to finalize. In Sol, discussions are displayed on the main page in order of most recent. You cannot change the order other than pinning certain ones to the top. Click Pin to force a discussion to the top of the list. There are also options available to subscribe and lock the discussion. Clicking Subscribes means you will receive notifications on new replies and comments for the discussion. If the discussion is not graded, click Lock to close and prevent any further posts from being made. Click View Discussion. Here you will see the discussion message and any replies and comments. To post to a discussion, click Reply. A text box will open with the text editor to format your response. You can use the paperclip icon to upload a document and also embed a video into your reply by clicking the YouTube button. Paste the copied code from YouTube or the video's URL into the appropriate field. You may also choose a start time for the video. When you are finished, click OK to save. The video will now be embedded into the discussion reply. You can comment on posts made by other users in the course by clicking Comment on the post. On replies, the users can use up and down voting to express thoughts on a post. This allows people to agree or disagree anonymously. Users can favorite a post by clicking the yellow star. They can also bookmark to mark their place in a long discussion. Replies and comments are searchable by name or by content by using the search field at the top. If you choose to make this a graded discussion, a green grade button will also appear at the top of this page. Clicking this will take you to the discussion's detail grader. The detail grader will display the discussion replies and comments, one user at a time. All discussion entries will be displayed here, and the current user you are reviewing will be highlighted in blue. On the top right of the screen, you will see the name of the user whose submission is currently visible. This is also where you will provide the grade for the discussion. Keep a purpose in mind when assigning a discussion in your course. Always integrate the discussion into assignments or activity requirements. Giving timely, effective feedback will motivate students to check messages and encourage them to respond to each other.